Republicans and Democrats in Hartford believe they have hammered out a plan to curb crime, and specifically juvenile crime.
But not everyone is on board with the plan. Fox 61's Matt Caron explains what the bipartisan bill does.
Well, the issue of juvenile crime is, of course, a story that Fox 61 has been closely covering. Republicans have had their ideas how to solve it. Democrats had some different ideas. Now, with just 8 days left in the legislative session, there is a compromise.
It is part of a larger strategy.
Governor Ned Lamont touting a bipartisan bill at East Hartford's public safety complex.
Crime is just a symptom of a lot of other things going on after years, 2 years plus of COVID.
The bill seeks to curb juvenile crime and has the backing of Democrats and Republicans.
What this bill addresses is a problem. Anytime Republicans and Democrats can come together on something and work on legislation, I think it's a good thing for the state.
But it doesn't have the support of the Connecticut Justice Alliance, who says it doesn't address the root causes of crime, doesn't provide enough funding for diversionary programs, and is too discipline heavy.
The system can't really make you hold yourself accountable. That's something you have to be ready and willing to do. Crafting a bill that makes it easier to put kids in cages and easier to surveil them is not going to help anyone. It's very disappointing. I expected much more of Connecticut.
As for what the bill actually does, it mandates young people see a judge within 5 days of their arrest, provides stricter sentences for serious crimes, cracks down on repeat offenders by giving judges more access to juvenile crime records and allowing them to track a teen with GPS monitoring bracelets. The bill also overhauls the penalty structure of vehicle thefts and carjackings to be based on the number of times the offense was committed.
My one thing is to keep my community safe, right? So I could say that we do need these tools. It does give short-term tools to law enforcement to deal with those type of serious situations, so we can restore public safety quickly.
So this bill will start in the House, where Governor Lamont said he expects a vote to happen in about a week or so. But we're hearing that vote could happen as soon as tomorrow. Separately from this bill, the governor said he's also looking to pass mental health legislation, which he says will also help curb crime here in Connecticut. Reporting at the Capitol Complex in Hartford, Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.